Hello, everyone. Welcome to Explore English Online. My name is Smith. I speak slow English. This podcast is for beginners.
Hi, friends. I am Sarah. We are happy you are here. This English is very easy. Let's learn together.
You can listen anywhere, at home or outside, on the bus or walking. Just listen carefully. English will improve.
Yes, listening is powerful. You learn with your ears. No books are needed. Just relax and listen. Learning feels natural.
We use simple words. We speak very slowly. We repeat many times. This helps beginners. You can understand.
Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Learning takes time. You are doing well.
Let's start with greetings. Greetings are important. I say hello. Hello means hi. Very easy English.
I answer, "Hello, Smith. How are you?" People say this daily. It is very common. Now you try.
I say I am fine, thank you. This is polite English. You can say good too. Very simple.
I say I am fine too. Thank you for asking. This sounds friendly. English connects people, not grammar fear.
Now let's talk about names. I ask, what is your name? This is very common. You hear it often. Listen slowly.
I answer, "My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you." This is polite English. People like kindness. Repeat with me.
I say nice to meet you too. This sounds friendly. People usually smile. Simple sentences help. Short is best.
Yes, simple English works. Do not make it hard. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Confidence grows.
Now let's talk about place. I ask, where are you from? This is daily English. Very useful question. Listen again.
I answer, "I am from Kolkata." Change the city name. Say your city. This is real English. Very useful.
I say, that is nice. Your city is beautiful. This is friendly English. People feel happy. English is kind.
Yes, English can be kind. Smile when you speak. Take your time. No rush needed. Learning is a journey.
Now let's talk about work. I ask, what do you do? This means your job. Very common question. Listen slowly.
I answer, "I am a student," or "I am a teacher," or "I work in a shop." Choose your answer. Very easy.
Good answer, Sarah. Your English is clear. People understand you. That is the goal. Clear English.
Thank you, Smith. Practice helps a lot. Listen every day. Speak every day. You will improve.
Now let's talk about time. I ask, what time is it? This is daily English. Very important question. Repeat slowly.
I answer, "It is 8 o'clock." Change the number. Practice time words. Numbers are important. Easy practice.
Now let's talk about food. Food is a fun topic. Everyone eats food. English helps ordering. Listen carefully.
I say, "I am hungry." This means I want food. Very common sentence. Use it daily. Repeat with me.
I answer, let's eat. Or let's have lunch. This sounds friendly. People like it. Simple English works.
Yes, friendly English is good. Speak with a smile. Speak slowly. Enjoy learning. No stress.
Now let's talk about shopping. I ask, how much is this? Very useful sentence. You use it often. Remember it.
I answer, "It is $10." Change the price. Practice money words. Very useful English. Easy to learn.
Now let's talk about directions. I ask, where is the bus stop? This is real English. Very helpful sentence. Listen again.
I answer, "It is over there," or "It is near here." Direction words are easy. Use your hand. Very natural.
Now let's talk about feelings. I say I am happy. You can say sad. Feelings are important. English shows feelings.
Yes, feelings are daily English. I say I am tired. After work or study, very common sentence. Repeat slowly.
Now let's talk about weather. I ask how is the weather. People ask this often. Easy conversation start. Very simple.
I answer it is hot or it is cold. Weather words are easy. Practice daily. You will remember.
You are listening well. Your ears are learning. Your brain is learning. Listening builds skill. Keep going.
Yes, listening anywhere helps. Walking or resting, morning or night. English enters naturally, no pressure.
Now let's talk about help. I say, can you help me? This is polite English. Very useful sentence. Remember it.
I answer yes, of course, or sorry, I can't. Both are correct. Be polite always. English is polite.
Now let's talk about thanks. I say thank you. Very important words. Say them often. People like it.
I answer you're welcome. This is polite reply. Very common English. Easy to say. Use it daily.
Now let's talk about goodbye. I say goodbye, or see you later, or see you soon. Very common phrases.
I answer goodbye, Smith. Have a nice day. This sounds friendly. People feel good. Simple English works.
Now let's talk about family. I ask, do you have family? This is common English. People like this topic. Listen slowly.
I answer yes, I do. I have a family. I love my family. Simple sentences help. Very easy.
Now let's talk about hobbies. I ask, what do you like? This means hobbies. Very common question. Listen carefully.
I answer I like music, or I like reading, or I like walking. Choose your hobby. Very easy.
Now let's talk about daily routine. I ask, what do you do daily? This means every day. Very useful English. Listen again.
I answer I wake up early. I go to work. I eat dinner. I sleep at night. Daily English.
Now let's talk about morning. Morning is the start. I say good morning. This is polite English. Use it daily.
I answer good morning, Smith. How are you today? Morning greetings are nice. People smile. English feels friendly.
Now let's talk about night. I say good night. This is for evening, before sleeping. Very common.
I answer good night, Smith. Sleep well. This sounds kind. People like it. Easy English.
Now let's talk about phone calls. I say hello on phone. This is common English. People call daily. Listen slowly.
I answer hello. This is Sarah. How can I help? This is phone English. Very useful. Practice it.
Now let's talk about travel. I ask, where are you going? This is travel English. Very useful sentence. Listen carefully.
I answer I am going home. Or I am going to work. Simple travel English. Use it daily. Very easy.
Now let's talk about rest. I say I am resting. This means relaxing. Very common English. Easy to say.
I answer yes, me too. Rest is important. Learning needs rest. Take breaks. Stay calm.
Now let's talk about future. Your English will improve. With daily listening. With patience. With practice.
Yes, your future is bright. English helps life. English opens doors. Keep learning. Stay hopeful.
Now let's say thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for time. Thank you for effort. We appreciate you.
Yes, thank you so much. You are great learners. We are proud of you. Keep going. Never stop.
Now let's talk about goodbye. We will finish soon. But learning continues every day, everywhere.
Yes, goodbye for now, but come back again. Listen again tomorrow. Practice again. We are here.
This is Smith speaking. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English. Listen anywhere. Believe in yourself.
This is Sarah speaking. You did amazing. Keep listening daily. English will grow. You can do it.
Remember one thing. Listening builds English. Daily listening works. Anywhere you go. Anytime.
Yes, remember this. English grows slowly, but it grows surely. Stay patient. Stay positive.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning English. Keep listening anywhere. You are improving. See you soon.
Goodbye, dear listeners. We believe in you. Your English journey continues. Never give up. Bye-bye.